Hello, my dear students. Welcome to online accountancy class. In this session, we are going to consider one numerical problem. In this cases, we have to prepare all these necessary steps. Here, there are two partners A and B, and the profit sharing ratio 2:1. Both of them are especially liable. So, M is an incoming partner for 1/3 share of profit, and he has to contribute 60,000 as his share of goodwill and 1 lakh rupees as his share of capital. Both are provided, goodwill amount and capital amount. Here the goodwill calculation that is not required. So first step, like calculation of SR as well as GR, not required, directly OR NR provided, and valuation of goodwill, that is applying different method, also not provided, because incoming partner, that is M, will contribute 60,000 as a share of goodwill and 1 lakh rupees as a share of capital. So both are provided. This is their financial position on the date of admission. The capital of S and B 70,000, 60,000, generally it is undistributed profit. Loan taken from the bank 18,000, outside a liability, that is 72,000, total 2,38,000. On this side, asset all are known term, plant, furniture, investment, stock, data. Some data were doubtful, so provision is there also 4,000. Net good data on 34,000 and cash balance 22,000. So total of the asset side also 2,38,000. And the other adjustment is there on the date of admission. Reduce the value of stock by rupees 10,000 related to revaluation. Plant is to be valued at rupees 80,000 related to revaluation. Amount of 3,000 included in cater were not payable related to revaluation. We know that is in case of admission, retirement, death, when change in the assets value as well as liabilities values take place, then we take the help of revaluation account, and rule everyone knows: asset increase, so asset debit, revaluation credit. Just one you have to remember: increase asset, asset debit. Automatically other three will come: increase asset, debit; decrease asset, asset will be credit; and liability balances reverse. When liability decrease, then liability debit; like liability increase, then credit. That way you can easily prepare the revaluation ledger, or we can pass the journal entry. So here these are all related to revaluation. The information number 4: half of the investment were taken over by S, and the remaining were valued at 25,000. So here investment value we have to search here 40,000. So half it is coming 20,000. So half investment taken over by S. One old partner who took over investment half 20,000, but remaining were valued at rupees 25,000. So total 40,000. If 50%, so 50% means 20,000, another 50%, 20,000. 50% take over by one partner, so remaining 50% value should be 20,000. If it is shown more than 20,000, so that will come, increased part will come on revaluation. If it is shown less amount, that will also come revaluation account. So this purpose is like 5,000 more value shown, so 5,000 it will come on the revaluation account. Now if you consider one by one, you reduce the value of stock by rupees 10,000. Asset value decrease, so revaluation to stock 10,000. Plant is to be valued to be 80,000. Here the plant value provided. Yes, plant value 66,000. So now it is 80,000. It is increased. How much increase? 80 minus 66. It is 14,000. 14,000 increase. So plant account debit to revaluation 14,000. 14,000. And amount of 3,000 included in cater were not required to pay. So here 3,000 caters, that is liability decreases. Liability decrease means cater account debit to revaluation account. After that, half of the investment taken over by S and remaining were valued. So here also investment increase, investment account debit to revaluation account. Now you can check the revaluation ledger here. Plant increase 14,000, cater decrease 3,000, investment increase 5,000, stock decrease 10,000. So if you compare here, profit arises, profit on revaluation. Credit side is coming 14 plus 3, 17 plus 5, 22,000. Whereas the debit side is 10,000. So therefore 12,000 is the profit. And that profit will be distributed to all partners in their own profit sharing ratio, which is shown here. S capital 8,000 and his capital 4,000. Total profit goes to all partners' capital. Now you have to prepare partners capital account, like as per present syllabus, like adjustment of capital not there, as well as revised balance sheet after admission of a new partner, that is also excluded. So therefore that in this chapter it is quite easy and simple. Partners capital account, when you open that time partners capital is here, it is same process, same way which you learned from chapter 2. First of all, opening balance you have to show. If any undisturbed profit, that you have to show. If any revaluation profit is there, that you have to show. Related to goodwill you have to show. If any undisturbed loss, that you have to show. After that, asset taken over, liability taken over, that part entry is there. Now after finally you can find out the present balance and closing balance. So let's see here. First, opening balance, buy balance, BD 70,000 and 60,000. Here it is provided in the whole balance sheet, 70,000, 60,000. General reserve 18,000, that is also being distributed. So buy general reserve 2:1 ratio, 12,000, 6,000. Profit on revaluation, it is also distributed. Now premium for goodwill. This time new partner M brought premium for goodwill money, that is total 60,000, and that is distributed to the old partner in the sacrificing ratio among S and V 2:1, that is. So 60,000 in the ratio 2/3 and 1/3, it is coming 40,000, 20,000. Very simple. Opening balance, undistributed profit, profit on revaluation, goodwill amount transferring entity. Now after that, like new partner contributed ₹1 lakh, that you have to show directly by cash account in name column. Now here we can see here in like one part, like S and one existing partner who take over investment 50%, total investment 40,000, so 50% takeover, that is 20,000. So if any asset takeover, that time partners capital to that respective asset. Like very simple way we can remember here. If any cash brought in, cash account debit to capital. If cash withdraw, then capital to cash. Cash is a asset. Investment also assets. Suppose investment brought in by M. So what will write here? By investment means ultimate entry investment to M capital. If the same investment withdraw or take over, the reverse entry, this time S take over, S capital to investment. Very simple way. If asset take over, then that respective partner's capital account debit to that respective asset, that is credit. If liability take over, then liability account debit to respective partner's capital account. After that, you can find out the balance, that is present balance here. Total of S 1,30,000, total of V 90,000, total of M 1 lakh. Now after that, to balance CD, it is coming here S 1,10,000, V 90, and 1 lakh. Now if you prepare revised balance sheet, that time this part it is important that you have to consider as present syllabus preparation of revised balance sheet is not there. So we'll prepare naturally this two part, revaluation as well as partners capital account. Sometimes like investment fluctuation fund related treatment, workman compensation fund, these are the same type of treatment may can come here, but this is the way to prepare. They are the thing like necessary ledger in case of admission of a new partner, mainly treatment of goodwill, very nicely applying both the method, premium as well as memorandum method. After that, opening revaluation and partners capital account. In these cases, like some message is there, it is a value-based question it was, so it is showing sympathy and friendship on that ground, you can say, and base sympathy, friendship. Cash ledger, if you want, we can open here, but as we are not going to prepare revised balance sheet, no need to prepare cash ledger. That partner capital account is sufficient. So if you would like, you can open here. Opening balance, like new partners capital contribution, premium for goodwill contribution. After that, you can find out CDBD. So this is the revision. Already this type of problem you have done. Not only this type of more difficult problem you have done, this is a simple one problem, but that type of problem quite important, mainly passing related to like journal entry related to change in the value of assets and liability, as well as partners capital final payment or final balance finding purposes. Here opening balance purposes, to no journal entry will be there. General ledger purposes, journal entry you have to pass general ledger account debit to old partners capital account. Revaluation journal entry you have to pass revaluation account debit to old partners capital account. Goodwill purposes entry will be there, two entry already we discussed last class, bank to PGW, PGW to old partners capital. New partners capital contribution cash or bank account debit to new partner's capital, investment taken over in TS capital to investment. Suppose in the question it is journal entry, that time you have to pass only journal entry. We cannot pass like directly, we cannot prepare any ledger account. I think so this will help to a lot to the learner. They can revise. This type of problem is quite important for all exam. Okay, thank you, and that's all.